Okay, here's how to make filter coffee in 4 simple steps. You ready? Let's go. Okay, step 1, water. Get that in from anywhere between 92 and 95 degrees. If you don't have an electric kettle, you can boil it on the stove and let that sit for about 90 seconds after boiling. Step 2, the beans. Weigh out about 12 grams. Make sure to use a scaler, don't agar-agar all. Grind those beans to about a medium fine consistency. Step 3, get your carafe and dripper, throw a filter paper in and pre-wet it. Once done, discard that water safely.
Hello. Sorry.
Get those coffee grounds in, tear that scale, and start the timer. Step 4, brewing your coffee. Pour the 30 grams and let that coffee start to bloom. After about 30 seconds, pour to 60% of your total brewing weight. In this case, that's about 108 grams. Once all the water has drawn down, get in your final pour to about 180 grams. And let that water extract all of that delicious flavor. Your coffee should be done at about 3 minutes and 30 seconds, but this is just a general guideline. Remove your dripper, give it a swirl, and enjoy.